again and welcome to our program Desserts of the World. I'm Marina and I'm going to explain you how to make ogosua. That is a traditional dessert from Basque cuisine, specifically from Araba. Sugar is sprinkled on the surface, which you can burn with the help of a torch. In our case, we will just add a liquid caramel as we don't have a torch. It is a tasty dessert, which we must eat from the bottom up, taking a little of each layer in the same bag, in order to appreciate the scent of the flavors and the different tastes. As we said, the ogosua had 3 layers. For the first layer, the syrup, we need water, 6 teaspoons of sugar, a bit of vanilla flavor, and a splash of rum. For the second layer, the pastry cream, we need 500 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, 50 grams of flour, 120 grams of sugar, and a little bit of vanilla flavor. And the third and last layer, we need 500 milliliters of whipped cream. Of course, the sobaos that we will mix with the syrup. Let's start cooking. For the first layer, we make a syrup by putting water, sugar, vanilla flavor, and rum. On the fire in the saucepan and let it boil over high heat about 8 and 10 minutes until the sugar dissolves, the texture has syrup consistency, and let it cool. Now we prepare our homemade Basque sponge cake using an industrial one or sobaos, for example. We cut it with the shapes of our container where we will put the ogosua. We can use a container fence, a plated ring, a glass, a lid that has a diameter, etc. To make the pastry cream, which is the second layer, we can choose 2 preparations. Cook the cream over the fire the traditional way, or cook it in the microwave, following the recipe that we bought you last year. In both cases, the pastry cream is delicious. This time we are going to do it with the traditional way. For the pastry cream, we need to heat 500 milliliters of milk, in a pot, and in another bowl, mash the flour, eggs, vanilla, and 2 eggs, and the sugar, and beat it, and beat until it's almost a liquid. Once all of this is done, put the milk in a medium or slow heat and add the paste created in the bowl very slow and mash. Now that the pastry cream is done, we put it in the fridge and let it cool. And finally, the third and last layer. To assemble the cream, we will have it cold and with the cream with an electrical whisk or by hand. And we continue beating until the cream stays on the roots. And now we only have to mount the bosua. In the children container, we put a piece of cake of the same shape of the mold and drunk it with the syrup that we have prepared. And then a layer of whipped cream.